Most people think AI will replace jobs. The truth is that AI is creating brand new opportunities. So let me show you exactly what I want ChatGPT to do and how it responds to it. See, it just delivered what I was hoping for. With ChatGPT, you can offer services like writing emails, product descriptions, blog articles, captions, and social media content. You don't need years of experience, you just need to know how to use AI effectively. That's why learning prompts today can become a real income skill tomorrow. Check out FutureFlow AI for more daily AI know-how and tricks. Stay ahead of the game by following us.